Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to install thermal paper on a Vivitar Instaprint digital camera. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have the Vivitar Instaprint digital camera, and it comes with thermal paper, and you can use that thermal paper to print your pictures that you take, which is a really cool feature. It's a digital camera, right? So you can take pictures digitally, but then it's also an instant camera, so you can print them out. Really cool. Now, installing the thermal paper is really easy. On the bottom here, okay, there is basically like a door, and it shows that you can, sort of with the arrow, you can slide it out to the side. So we're going to slide it out like this. We're going to open it up. Now, the thermal paper is already in there. I'd already installed it. I'm going to remove it right now, okay, just like this. And basically, you want to get the thermal paper, okay? And on the thermal paper, you're going to want to make sure that the end is like, able to move freely. If it is secured down, if it is like glued down or taped down, make sure you open up the end so they can sort of move freely like that. Okay, now if you look inside of there, it's kind of hard to see, but there's a little bit of an image, and it shows the orientation of what it is supposed to be like. So essentially, it shows the way the thermal paper is supposed to go in there, okay? So get your thermal paper, get it nicely, and you want to place it in there in the same orientation. So in this case, I'm going to drop it in there like this, and then the flap is sort of sticking out, as you can see, like this, okay? So that's how it's oriented, and I'm going to close this up. I'm going to close up the door just like that, okay? And you can leave the excess on there, you can rip it off. I'm going to rip it off just like that. All right, and what you're going to do is you can go ahead and you've installed the thermal paper, you can print out a picture. And I'm going to take a test picture just to show you that I installed it correctly. So I'm going to turn the camera on, just give it a moment to turn on. I'm going to go to the, we're going to go to the photo, so that we're going to take a photo, okay? I'm going to turn on the print mode. So we've turned on the print mode, and I'm going to turn it to selfie mode. I'm going to take a quick picture of myself, just like that. Say cheese. There you go. Wow, I'm pretty photogenic, if I do say so myself. And now, as you can see, it's printing out. And it did indeed work. So you can, I mean, if you installed it correctly, it should work fine. But basically, you can always print a test picture, and you'll know that it does indeed, it was indeed installed correctly. There's a test picture. Obviously, it works fine. And that's basically it. I'm going to turn this off. It's really easy to do. Just make sure that it's oriented properly and that the end is sticking out so that it's sort of being fed through. So like, make sure after you close the door, the end is hanging out of there, because then you know that it will sort of go through smoothly. Yeah, that's basically it. I've shown you and told you exactly how to do it. Really easy to do, and hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.